Alright, well, I gotta put these tires back to the way they were. So I thought I'd bring you along as we crank these babies in. Oh. Ah. That's it. Ooh, tight squeeze. Almost time to put my Corvair away. She's all jacked up for the winter. Got the crappy tires on her. I got my racing ones in the patio. Have to cover them up so they don't get weathered. I just realized I have a place for all my tires if I really want to do it. But I'll keep these here for the winter. Put a cover over them or something. I got this blanket here. Oh, I forgot to let air out of here. I don't think I let air out of the one that's underneath us either. Wish I could put my bike in here. Nope, Dad won't let me. Corvairs. That's my dream. Have a driveway filled with nothing but Chevys. I want 3 69 Corvairs. And an SUV. I want a convertible. I want my race car. And my classic. That's all I need. That's all I need. Yeah, that's pretty flat. I'll repaint these rims in the springtime along with the other rims for Michigan, so I can take my car to Michigan. Fall down, go boom. Yeah, there's still air in this one too. Azenas Falcon 195/60 R14. Wear rated on these is like 200. Hardware 200. Traction A, temperature A. Good for racing. I used these on the autocross last year. Seemed to work out pretty well. Sorry about the shaky camera, guys. It's a little chilly. That's good enough. That is good enough. I gotta put this other tire on there. Oh, yeah, so place for tires. I could have taken all my tires and put them over here. I got 2 sets of tires under here. 3 sets, actually. I have... Maybe a big spot over here again. Yeah, he's still there. It's wintertime, buddy. What are you doing? Go find some place to hibernate. Racing tires from Norm. They're still kind of sticky. Hopefully they'll be okay for autocrossing in around town. My road tires that I just picked up. Very good road tires. Where's the other? Oh. And 2 winter tires. Winter? Winter. But these tires, Daytona 500s, bias ply, picked up for 69 bucks. 14s. They'll work out well for traveling to Michigan in. I'll use these to travel in. And I got my racing ones. Not these, but probably my other ones to race in. But I could have taken all my tires and put them on this pallet. I just stacked up these trash cans a little bit better. I could have put them all on this side here. Oh well. Yep, did some yard work. There's my leaf blower I built a few years ago. Yep, rebuilt the motor, ran out of race fuel, almost seized it. I think it still has race fuel in it if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, maybe. Tires are flat. Oh, this is not flat. That was probably flat. I'll rebuild the motor, put new bearings in it eventually. It's a good engine. There's a snowboard my father picked up. Mine's got more horsepower as long as I don't, well, as long as I don't put race fuel in it. And I guess my mom's going to ask my dad if I can keep my Corvair in the backyard somewhere. Maybe right here. Maybe right there. I don't know. Don't know. Corvair. Long nose. Shark nose is what they call them. Yeah, I'll tell you, this thing is durable. I backed into my Corvair by accident with my sister's car. Didn't do any damage to my car. I don't know if I did anything to hers. hit it pretty hard. She got plastic bumpers. Did it do anything? Right there a little bit. Nothing. Can't see shit. Corvair. Maybe I'll crank her up a little bit for you guys. I gotta do a drive-by. I don't know. Maybe a little bit. I gotta take some of my tachometer out to Autometer, see if they can fix it. Alright, well, I'll see you in a bit. Put my tools away. Corvair.